Hey guys, let's go behind the scenes at 141 Design Company on the day our second laser arrived. We're going to start the day off by getting a 2-foot by 4-foot sheet of our maple onto the laser and get that going. This is our current laser, and we are cutting the freeze frame display board right now. It both comes in a small and a large size. We've got about 100 in both sizes to cut. So it's a good thing the second laser arrived when it did. We have a custom grill on this laser that Brian built for us so that we can remove these for cleaning, as well as rearranging and displaying them differently so that different things will fall through. Tori makes sure that the laser stays maintained by cleaning the lens on a regular basis. She takes it apart and gives it a thorough cleaning, just using a little rubbing alcohol. This makes sure that the laser cuts at full power and cuts nice and clean and all the way through each time. We also clean those bars regularly too. We've got a fresh set ready to go, so we'll probably be swapping those out as well. But we'll get this part cleaned first. Put a new board on and then measure the distance between where that laser is and the board to make sure that we are cutting precisely once again. Here's Tori. She's our youngest twin. This is with Penny. We were hanging out at Disney World, it looks like here. She's got it ready to go and we are cutting once again. That's what gives us those nice crisp lines on each one of our pieces, making sure the laser is always running properly. Now the girls are over here sanding pieces because even though we clean it, there will be some residue on the board, so we make sure that those are sanded off for you so that you don't have to deal with that. And this is Alexis. She's there in that red hat. She's here helping for the day because we are swamped actually, so she's putting in a few hours and making sure that we get things out the door and ready to go. They're all cut out of a 1/4-inch maple, and we've got them shrink wrapped and ready to go for today's orders and then some. Lynn will be packing those. Our furry friend here, his bed is right there, and we've got Kevin. Kevin is a Saint Bernedoodle. He's here every day. He actually belongs to these two, which are my oldest twin, Shelby, and her boyfriend, Jared. Lynn's over here packing. We've got things all moved around because the laser's coming in, so we had to shift some things, but here's Lynn now. And Brian shows up with the laser. I'm gonna have to get this unpacked on the trailer outside first. And of course it starts snowing, so we've got to get it covered as well. And then he'll very carefully load that down off of the trailer and into our shop. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty exciting. You can see how much we've got going on with cutting, and it might be crazy messy right now, but we'll get it all organized again once we get this laser put back into its spot. And we've got it in. Lynn was over here in this big mess, still making sure the orders were going out. She is a trooper. And there they both are, side by side. Now that second one still needs a lot more to go with getting it set up, but we are well on our way to running much more efficiently. And we've got the second one going again. Back to cutting more of the freeze frame display after a short break while the next laser was put into place. Thanks for joining me here on this quick little tour of our back room, and if you enjoyed this type of video, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll keep putting more up, and we've got weekly floss tube episodes as well. Thanks for watching.